Looking for a stylish men's watch that offers premium looks without the luxury price tag? Then you should definitely check out the Fossil Grant Chronograph Watch. With its vintage-inspired design, genuine leather strap, stunning navy blue dial, and elegant rose gold accents, this watch has become one of Fossil's most popular men's timepieces. But is it worth buying in 2026? Let's find out. The first thing you'll notice about the Fossil Grant is its timeless design. Inspired by classic vintage clocks, this watch combines traditional style with modern elegance. The navy blue sunray dial looks fantastic under different lighting conditions, while the Roman numeral markers and rose gold tone details create a sophisticated and premium appearance. Whether you're heading to the office, attending a wedding, going on a date, or simply dressing up for a special occasion, this watch fits perfectly. Moving on to build quality, the Fossil Grant features a 44mm stainless steel case. It's a fairly large watch that gives your wrist a bold and confident look without feeling overly heavy. The stainless steel construction feels solid and durable, while the hardened mineral crystal helps protect the watch from everyday scratches and wear. Product link description and CPM mints. One of the standout features of this watch is its chronograph display. The dial includes 3 functional subdials along with a convenient date window. The chronograph allows you to use stopwatch functions, adding both practicality and visual appeal. The layered dial design looks detailed and stylish, making the watch appear more expensive than its actual price. Inside the Fossil Grant is a reliable quartz movement. Quartz watches are known for their excellent accuracy and low maintenance requirements. Simply put, this watch keeps accurate time without the need for winding or constant adjustments, making it ideal for everyday wear. Comfort is another strong point. The watch comes with a genuine black leather strap that feels comfortable from the first day. The adjustable buckle closure provides a secure fit, and since it uses a standard 22mm strap size, you can easily swap it out for other compatible Fossil straps whenever you want a different look. Product link, description, and CPM mints. Now let's talk about water resistance. The Fossil Grant offers 5 ATM water resistance, which means it can handle rain, splashes, hand washing, and even occasional recreational swimming. However, it's not designed for diving or snorkeling, so keep that in mind if you're looking for a dedicated sports watch. So who is this watch best for? It's a great choice for professionals, first-time watch buyers, gift shoppers, and anyone looking for a versatile watch that works equally well with business attire and casual outfits. Before we wrap up, let's quickly go over the pros and cons. Pros: stylish and timeless design, beautiful navy blue dial, reliable quartz movement, comfortable, genuine leather strap. Chronograph and date functionality. Excellent value for money. Versatile for both formal and casual occasions. Cons: mineral crystal instead of sapphire crystal. The 44mm case may feel large for smaller wrists. Not suitable for diving activities. Product link description and CPM mints. Final verdict. The Fossil Grant Chronograph Watch delivers an impressive combination of style, functionality, comfort, and affordability. If you're looking for a watch that looks premium, performs reliably, and won't break the bank, this is definitely a model worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more watch reviews and buying guides, product link description, and CPM mints. See you in the next one.